we going to take something for my new project. Actually, this project I planned long time already. I booked this thing few months ago, but due to MCO, coronavirus, the thing has been delayed because I think it's from China, I think.
China says the number of people infected by a mysterious respiratory virus has more than tripled over the weekend.
The virus may have originated from a market in the city.
Canada's first coronavirus patient.
Urging its citizens not to travel abroad.
Dan untuk itu kerajaan memutuskan untuk melaksanakan Perintah Kawalan Pergerakan. Perintah Kawalan Pergerakan.
GoPro, start recording. Hi guys, hello guys, welcome back to Justco YouTube. Yes, YouTube. You tak tiup, I tak gerak. It's been a while, yes, due to coronavirus, all the plan cancelled. I also postponed all my video making, just lying in the house, watch Netflix. But today, we going to take something for my new project. Okay, jom kita ke sana. Okay guys, jom tengok apa yang kita ada hari ini. Yes, itu dia tank aquarium crystal clear. Crystal clear, apa yang dimaksudkan crystal clear? Dia punya banding aquarium biasa, dia punya iron, mineral iron lagi rendah, so dia lagi jernih, lagi cantik. Okay, so harga pun mahal sikit pada tank biasa. So ini dia 120 cm 4 kaki. Lebar dia 45, ketinggi pun 45. So this is my new project. Tunggu dah lihat. Alright. Then this is the cabinet. We order cabinet. Look how nice is it. See. Okay. Ini adalah hardscape utama untuk projek ni. Kayu spider root tak silap ni. Panjang lebih kurang 3 kaki. Tengok dia punya features dulu. So the last thing we gonna need is the light stand. So that's all preparation for this project. In the future video, I will show you guys how to do aquascape. Okay, see you till then, guys.